Welcome back to your 66-day challenge with the social stack. Get started in social media. Today is day 16, and I'm going to show you how to add an image to your Facebook story. I think that the easiest way to do this is through the Facebook app, so I've got a screen grab of my phone on here for you to see. Before we get started, I want you to know that if you are looking to get all the information about marketing on social media, please go ahead and start now by subscribing to my channel. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button and then click the bell icon, which will alert you anytime a new video is available. All right, let's get started. So I have my phone pulled up. I'm just going to open my Facebook app, and we're just going to go to our page here. All right, now that we have the page pulled up, you'll see our little profile image next to our name of our page, and there's a little blue plus sign. So go ahead and click that plus sign, and you'll see a window pop up with a few options. The first one is Create Story. So I'm going to just go ahead and click Create. Oh, and you know what? I actually want to save an image to my camera roll first, but that's okay. We will click this little guy right here. I think that's a cool little quote, so that's what I want to put in my story today. And I want to show you that there's some fun features in here. Up on the top right-hand corner, you see you can click stickers, and you can add different stickers. If you've created your Facebook emoji, that's what these top stickers are here. You can actually search at the top, and you can use these little icons like location to tag where you are, what temperature it is, all kinds of fun stuff like that. And if you don't like it, you just hold it and drag it. A little trash can will appear and drop it right in there, and it goes away. You can hit text, or typing right where it says anything you want. And then that little A at the bottom will let you change the different text styles. And the color wheel next to it will let you change the coloring and the center. And again, that button that you see changing with glow, fancy, etc., that'll change your fonts. So when you have something you like there, just tap done and it will be on your screen. And you can pinch in and out with your fingers to resize it, slide it around the screen wherever you want it to be. And again, if you don't like it, go ahead and drop it right in that trash can. The draw feature, you got a little slider on the side here that will let you make your pen thicker or thinner. And you can see there's a brush at the bottom, there's a solid stroke, there's one that's kind of a little, almost like chalk, one that's your eraser here, and then your color wheel, of course. So if I don't want it white, you can see we can do different effects like that. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that. That comes in handy if you want to like circle something or draw a little picture. I'm going to hit done on that. The next one we have is enhance. So this is for your different filters. You can see there's different options at the bottom there. I always recommend picking one filter to keep a consistent feel across all of your branding. This is one that makes it kind of look like a watercolor painting. So you can see there's a whole bunch of different ones in here. These filters at the beginning, like I like this one, the fade. You can see there's a whole bunch of different options. So whatever is best for you. But like I said, I try to keep that fairly consistent across the brand. You want to do the same thing on Instagram to make sure that you are putting out images and marketing that looks like it's all coming from the same business. I'm going to go ahead and X out. Oops, sorry, I didn't want to X out of that. Then our next option here, I'm going to go to no, I want original. Our next option is this little link. So if you're a business page, you can use some of these links to link like book now. That would prompt somebody to book an appointment with you. And again, if you don't like it, just tap that link button and you can hit remove button from story. And then our last option, this should just kind of play around with the picture, zoom in and out. You can move it left and right. So this will kind of scroll through as people are looking at it. Again, there you go, in and out. So whatever features you want, you can do that. You can see there's a save button at the bottom if you want to save that into your camera roll as well. All right, so I'm not going to put an effect. I'm not going to do any effects today. I just wanted to show you what all those different things were. And go ahead and hit share now. And now it is in your story. One other thing I wanted to show you, same button, that little blue plus sign, create story. If you have multiple pictures you want to add to your story at the same time, just hit that select multiple button, and you can see as I select different images, it's putting a number in there. So the one with number 1 will be the first in my story, the one with number 2 will be the second, and so on and so forth. And you would just hit next, and it would take you right back into that editor, and you would be able to edit them all individually as well. And that is it for our 66-day challenge today. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for our next one. And before you do that, go ahead and leave a comment letting me know which of the features on your story was your favorite. So when we go into create, just to remind you what those are, we've got stickers, text, draw, effects, buttons, and animate. So let me know which of those was your favorite. Which of those features was your favorite on adding to your stories. I'll see you tomorrow.